In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Call of Duty game chat on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you clear instructions on what to do if you notice that your game chat is not working, even though you have a microphone connected. Of course, I'm going to expect most people who want to use voice chat to have the microphones connected. So if that's your case and voice chat isn't working, follow the instructions that I have to show you. First, open the menu. This can be done by pressing the Start button, and you will be able to go over to the settings. The relevant settings that we're looking for are going to be under the audio category, so between graphics and interface, go over to audio. Now, what you have to do here is first, check the voice chat volume. Make sure that this is turned up. If it is set to 0 or way too low, you will not be able to hear others over voice chat, so increase this as necessary. With this done, the other most important thing is to actually check to see if voice chat is turned on. If it is toggled off, then of course you will not be able to use voice chat with randoms and also with people in your party. So double check this, it's very simple to do. Afterwards, you will be able to go over to the game voice channel. This is going to be the default channel that you are connected into. Sometimes this might be set to friends and channel or friends only, and if you are playing alone, that means that you will not be able to hear everyone in the lobby. So if you want to be able to hear others and people who are not in your party, people who aren't added in your friends list, you have to set this to all lobby. That way, you will always be able to hear everyone talk, and you can customize stuff like proximity chat and last words voice chat. So, besides all of this, you should be good to go. I'm gonna set it to friends only because that's my personal preference, but you can set it to all lobby if you want. The next thing to check is to go back, and when you go over to the party channels, you will be able to open the settings about the game channel that you have here, and once you go over to the right menu, aka the settings, you will also find the option that I mentioned. Once again, double check to see how this is set up. This is going to be the privacy, and then you have the voice chat. As long as you choose the appropriate voice channel related to either your party or all the lobby, you will be able to hear everyone accordingly. If all else fails, double check the microphone that you are using. Sometimes it might not be getting detected, and you can also try opening up the Xbox guide to see if it is actually enabled in there as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Call of Duty Game Chat Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.